Where are you going tomorrow?
We're going up to Tennessee.
Yeah, we're going to Pigeon Forge.
Nice.
Tomorrow
nice.
night. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
well, I'm gonna show you a couple things. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you're over there already. You're in Mount Pleasant area.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if you're in this area right here, right down the road, this place called Boone Hall. Boone Hall is the oldest working plantation in America. Do you like history?
Yes.
This is Boone Hall. Boone Hall is where they actually filmed 4 famous movies right here. Can you guess any of those movies?
Forrest Gump.
Very good. That's where he first ran. When he had the braces where the kids chased him on the bike.
Yes.
Another one.
The Notebook.
Very good.
All right. Yeah. Woo.
2 for 2.
On our last episode, we showed you downtown Charleston, how to start up Starlink, and went to the North Charleston Supercharger. This is our bed. We blow up 4 mattresses. You could get these at REI. The link is in the description. It's a comfortable bed. Plus, it's easy to take down and pack away. We are going to make our juice this morning, so we're going to turn on our battery. We press the AC output and say on. Now, it's time to put our juicer together. Today, I am juicing carrots and cucumbers that we got at the market. Also, I'm juicing some peaches.
Hey, baby, what are you drinking?
Peach juice, because I juiced it earlier.
Peach juice. Yum, man.
So good.
Peach juice from Georgia.
No, we're not in Georgia.
Well, I think we got the peaches in Georgia.
No, we got them here at the farmer's market.
Oh, that's right. We got peaches.
We're getting our days confused.
Peaches from South Carolina. All right.
A little friend decided to help us out today. We have one more important spot to visit. A beautiful place where magic is made, where you can explore the past, discover nature, and feel the romance of the Oaks.
Leaving Charleston on our way to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.
We are at Boone Hall Plantation, and right now we are in the garden, and it is so lovely. I've never seen this many flowers and beautiful butterflies in one spot. It's amazing. One of my favorite movies, The Notebook, was filmed at Boone Hall. This was Allie's summer home in the movie. And the scene here is when they were riding their bikes on the Avenue of Oaks. Yeah?
I didn't know I was that close.
Not okay.
Oh my god.
It hit my head.
How's my robot?
Oh my god.
It took some hair with it.
I cut my hair.
Oh my god.
Hold on, let me zoom in on that hair. Oh my goodness.
Wow, you didn't even...
So like I almost got my head chopped off by the drone. But thank goodness it just like gave me a little haircut.
Yeah, just cut off a few hairs.
Just cut off a few hairs.
But, oh my god. I wasn't even trying to be like that risky. I was just worried about the trees and forgot about you.
And you'll hear it in the video that I just like made a little squeal.
Yeah,
but
she doesn't even freak out. She just
that
goes,
was fine.
and then,
On the next Tesla Hippies, we forget a couple things. Show you an awesome parking garage with free charging. See a waterfall. And make our way to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.